I started. Now today our intention is we need to go with Windows Clear MS Paint. Paint already there, I think. This is a different subject. In future, we'll discuss this one also. Move on. I think everybody know if condition. Are you agree with me? I think someone is trying to. Yeah, good evening, Dharani. It is, I think, if condition. Everybody know if condition, right? Now we need to go with I think in programming languages, I think somebody heard about SWIT, switch case. Have you heard this one? Switch
Yes,
case.
which, yes, sir.
What is the purpose of this? At least one line statement. Anyone? Maybe I'm expecting
That
from Neetu or maybe Sudhir. Switch case.
which
It
condition
is
is true, it will execute that scenario, sir.
even if also same thing, right?
No, no,
If also
multiple.
it
Yes,
is
sir.
a multi-way decision, DECA, right? Decision making. Maybe spelling is wrong. DECA, SS, am I correct? DE,
DE, sir.
DECA, SION or SSION?
Yes,
Decision,
I
right?
want.
Decision making state. Very simple answer. It is a multi-way decision making statement. You may ask me, how can it take decision? How can it take decision? For example, I think this is the way I can. Here I am passing something. Here I am passing something. See, here is the condition. Here is the condition. Condition. Maybe we can call it as expression actually. Expression, EXPRESSION, or so you may feel it condition also. No problem. Without condition, we can't valid. For example, once you provide something, it will take like this. It will take like this. Here again, it will do like this. Yes, see, taking one time condition is it belongs to this, belongs to this, belongs to this. But if condition one by one it will check, but in case statement it will check within a class, within a even though suppose say for having 1,000 if statements, assume in 999 is wrong statements. 999 is wrong statements. How can I tell now 999 is wrong statements? Anyone respond? We are checking one by one. We are checking one by one. Then only for identifying 999 is wrong statements. But whereas we are coming to the switch case statement, even though we are having 1,000 statements, only one time we are checking. Only one time. We are not checking 999 times. Only one time we are checking. Within one time, if it is there, you may get it. If it is not there, it may go to default. I hope you're understanding or not. This is the programming logic sense. I think some people may know, even though if I am giving my way, my style of output. Here is simply, we can say this is the default related output. This is belongs to at the final stage. Final stage, here is the default state. This is the default. I may implement it, you may feel good, you can easily understand it. According to shell script, how can you represent this? Here is the case, dollar sign, variable. Case dollar sign variable in. After that, you may check value one, space, then statement, statement. After that, you need to give vector. This is the syntax. Same way, value to, value to, space, closing brace. So, what about closing brace? Again, statement, statement. Maybe that is statement one. Here is Here is statement 1. Here is statement 2. Now in the same way, ending with like this. At the end, maybe dot, 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 multiple times is there. At the end, what we may do, I am trying to explain. At the end, here is star. Here is again default statement. Default statement. Finally, you are giving maybe semicolon is optional. In shell script, semicolon is optional. If you want, you can give it also. There is the syntax. Finally, start with case, right? End with reverse. E, S, E, C, SAC. Start with the case, end with SAC. Syntax is clear or not? Shall we go with this one example? You may get the clarity. Yes. Now I am going to write the title. I think some people know Mobile Extreme. Same, this instance we connected through Mobile Extreme. There we may not get timeout. There tomorrow I may go with Mobile Extreme. There you may understand it. Now apply, enter it. Good. I think I need to increase the font size. Yes, sudo hyphen I. Now just VA, maybe CAC, case.sh. We are giving the naming convention. Case.sh. Case.sh. I think only 3. Good. Now, you go with what, where? Here, I think, right. Now, we need one variable, right? We need read hyphen p, enter any number. Enter any number. That is your wish. Good. Maybe I may take NUM. No. Now, we need to apply case statement, right? We need to apply case statement. Now, how to apply case statement? See, syntax is what? Case, dollar sign. What is our name? Num. In. After that, here is maybe assume that is num1. Num1, right? Num1. How can I check? Is it 1? 1. That is okay. 1. I may go with echo. Oh yeah. Then what I said? In the same way, to just echo T you check only up to 3 remaining, it. Semicolon. In the same way, 3. Okay. Just here is echo 3. Remaining here is semicolon. Star. Star means what I said? Echo. Okay. Please enter. PLES. Please enter. 1 or 2 or 3. Only. Now you need to give semicolon. After that, what is the reverse case? ES is SR. That's all. We'll check in this way. SK shift colon X bash dot slash CAS case dot sh. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Suppose if I give number 420, what it will say? Tell me. Please enter
1, 2,
either
3
1
only.
or 2. Because of we specified only these 3, right? We specified this 3. Suppose you may ask, I want to specify letters. If I specify ON, if I give input ONE1, you may get ONE1. Got it or not? Or maybe ONE1, TWO2, maybe some other 3, right? Like that you want to get it. Suppose If we give 10, maybe numeric 10. If we give 20, numeric 20. If we give 30, numeric 30. In that way, you want to get it. And now try to guide me. What shall I do? Enter enter any number in place. Enter any string. Are you agree with me or not? Enter any string. Any string. Good. Here I am taking str. Str. That is our wish. In place of here, I am using str. str. Now that str is, you tell me, maybe t enter. Here is echo. Echo. Maybe our wish is 10 only. 10 only. If I give 20 here, T W E N T Y 20. No, here 20 only. 20 only. In the same way, if I write that PH, yeah, that here is 30 only. 30 only. I'm not writing here. Okay. Remaining whatever it is, invalid input. Very simple answer I am writing. Invalid input. If you are missing those three things, that is what? Invalid input. Input. I hope logic is clear or not. Logic is clear or not. Escape.
Yes.
Shift colon. Maybe anything missing wrong. If you're going wrong, we'll check it. Up arrow, and I'm writing 20. TWENT 20. If I'm not wrong, 20. If I give 50, FIFTY, what I make it? Invalid
Invalid.
input. I hope you got it. I hope you got it right. Yes. Similarly, you may see one or two. Ask me. I think someone is. Any doubt? I think no, right? If doubt is there, ask me. No doubt.
No doubts.
Now see. Now see. I am going to documentation. Somewhere document I opened, right? I opened. Where is it? I think I am in here only. Yes. This is no. This is no. This is also no. Already opened my document, but anyway. I think somewhere here. No. Where is Linux? Just observe and tell me. This is. Now check. You'll see similar type of exam. I think in interview they are asking this type of, somewhere have we discussed on it? What does it mean? Regular expressions. Regular expressions. We are taking one character from the keyboard. We are checking, hey, are you a lowercase or are you uppercase? See, it is an alphabet symbol. Why? Either lowercase letter or uppercase letter. Is it an alphabet or not? Yes, it is an alphabet. Either lowercase or uppercase. See, if it is 0 to 9, it is a digit. See here, A to Z, capital A to capital Z, 0 to 9. This means not a character, not a number. It is a special symbol. It is a special symbol. I hope you got it or not. I hope you understood or not.
Yes, sir.
I hope you got the clarity. Now, in the same way, they given one more small scenario. See, what does it mean? Not a character, not a number, special character, 0 to 9, digit, small AIOU, capital IOU. It is a vowel, right? It is a vowel. Opposite of AIOU is nothing but it is a consonant. It
Consonant.
is a got it or not. If other than this, enter only one character. Enter only one character. You are checking with one character, single character. I hope you got the clarity. Here, display a content, append content, overwrite content, delete content. Quickly tell me. Displaying content, what is the command? I am not showing my program. Just you can know it. To display, what is the command we may use? Cat, right?
cat,
Cat. For appending content, what you may use? Again, cat only.
cat, double
Cat
red,
double gradha. Good. For overwriting content, what is the command? Cat with
no,
single gradha. For deleting content, rm hyphen
RM,
rf. Rm hyphen rf. Got it or not? Same thing they are applying here. Check it here. Any difficulty is there? Huh. What does it mean? Somewhere we discussed it. I think Neeta, are you there? You try to respond now. This hyphen
Yes, sir.
yes represents what? No, only up to this. Whatever I got selected, you try to respond only that.
Empty
This hy-
string.
non, what is that?
Empty
What
file.
is CC? Up to this non-empty file. Up to this non-empty file.
Non-empty file.
Non-empty opposite what?
Empty.
Simple logic. You are a girl. I am saying you are not a girl. What does it mean? Maybe boy, maybe some other. Logic is clear or not? What a
Yes, sir.
hyphen S represents what? It is not an empty
Empty
file.
file.
That opposite is not
Empty
empty.
file.
But you must give space here, mandatory space. One space is mandatory. I hope
Okay, sir.
the remaining things are very simple. Nothing is there. See, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Everybody know it, right? Know it or you don't know how to do
No, sir.
addition? Know it. Good. For doing arithmetic operations, majority of the times you may use two types of expressions. Very, very important. You may use EXPR keyword also. EXPR. EXPR is one expression. Maybe. Second one is square bracket. Okay. Third one
Okay,
is
sir.
the banana maybe operates. Or we may be double opening brace, double closing brace. This is valid. This is valid. This is valid. These three things by using we can do arithmetic operations. Now, if you want to see, I can do it one example. Shall I go with one example for these three?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, good, good. We'll go. Maybe A is equal to 10. B is equal to 20. EXPR, dollar A plus dollar B. Check it what happened. Got it? Here, Neetu, you must give space here. You must give space here. You must give space. Otherwise, it won't work. You must give dollar also. Same thing. I may go with second case. Second case. Echo square bracket before dollar square bracket just A plus B valid. Check it. Echo dollar sign dollar A plus dollar B valid. Check it. Even third case. Check it. I think why it is the best one, I may say. In any way you can go, got it or not. In any way, maybe this is valid. This is valid. This is also valid. Here, even as a programmer doing something wrong, it won't feel, okay, no problem. I can adjust. I can understand. Third case, echo, dollar sign is the banana braces. A plus B. It is valid. Second case, you know it, right? Dollar A, dollar B. It is also valid. Third case, check it. Even valid. This is also good, right? Now nowadays, even the word TypeScript, Angular, this type of maybe scripting languages, they are following this type of. They are following this type of, or otherwise they are following this type of strategy. Here it won't work, this one won't work, but Angular, TypeScript, they're good. I hope you got the clarity. Very simple way. Arithmetic operations by using these three forms. Now, where is our yes? Now see iterative statements. Iterative means repetitive. Iterative means repeat. Why? Do until and for. I may go with very, very simple example. First, try to understand the syntax. They're asking syntax. Now, expecting C while WHI while here is the condition. I may go with condition. While condition. After that, do finally done. This is the general syntax. While condition, do done. While condition, do done. We'll see one example. You may get the clarity. While condition, my intention is I want to print 1 to 10 numbers. I want to print. Here itself, I can try it. Maybe I is equal to, I try it directly. I is equal to 1. Yes, I declare. While I less than, hyphen LT, right? LT or less than or equal to 10. While $I, $I means what? What it represents? $I 1 is less than or equal to 10. After that, what will you do? While do. Do. While do. Is it valid? Yes. What you want to do? Echo $I. Echo you want to print $I. Okay. After that, you need to give let I is equal to I plus 1. I think it is valid. I is equal to I plus 1. Next, what I need to do? While done. While done. Nothing, something goes wrong. Let I is equal to I plus 1. What it is expecting? Syntax error here. Unexpected token. Do done only, right? Anyway, I'm going to VI, maybe Y double while dot sh. Same syntax, na? Same syntax. I is equal to 1. Just I is equal to 1. Good. Next, Y. Square bracket is mandatory. I forgot to give square bracket. $I is hyphen less than or equal to 10. Next, while do, then finally done. Here echo $I. Next, let I is equal to I plus 1. I is equal to I plus 1. Escape, shift colon, yes. Now check it here. Tell me, where is DSH dash dot slash while dot sh. See, am I getting output or not? Am I getting output or not? I want
Yes,
to
sir.
get in reverse. Anyone can get me? I want to get in reverse scenario. Reverse scenario. Very simple. I need to mention here 10 first. Are you agree with me? 10 first. 10 first. After that, tell me this I is greater than or equal to
Equal to.
GT, right? Greater than or equal to GE. Maybe 1. Got it? Here is I is equal to I minus 1. Is it clear or not? I is equal to I minus escape shift colon X. Check it what happened. Getting up. Okay, good. I need to get only odd numbers. Either ascending order or descending order. You try to take first case only. Beginning with 1. It is again I, G, I greater than or equal to or less than, that is our wish. I less than or equal to, what is that? 10 only. I want to get which numbers? Even numbers. Anyone tell me? How can I get even numbers? See, very simple way. Here itself I can get it, even numbers. I started with 0.
I
I
I
plus
plus
2.
I plus.
I plus 2. This is not the good programming practice, but anyway, first I am showing, I may change the style.
So
Uh,
we have
I, I didn't write.
no sir. In the code after do one I simply highlight it.
Okay, okay, extra letter may be there, right?
Yes sir.
Expecting. Why, what happened? Uh,
Below while.
Done is okay. The after do something added.
Yes sir.
Yes, yes. That is feeling different. Now shift to colon X. Now up arrow. See, check it here. 0 to 4, 6, 8, 10. Suppose in my logic I may do small modification. If I give 1 here, can I get even numbers? Please respond. If I
No sir.
give 1
We'll get
here,
odd numbers.
no. Even though if I give 1, I need to get even numbers. Please tell me the logic. If square bracket, again dollar sign, square bracket, I modulus 2 is equal to I modulus 2, tell me, hyphen equal to 0, then echo this one, write it or not. Here, this one is optional. Maybe here is enter. Here
I
is
plus I plus one.
F5. Here, what is that? I plus 1. Yes, I plus 1. I plus. Now, is it clear? Someone is trying to join. Who is that? Good. Now, see here. Shall I try to run this? I think nothing, no need to change. Yes. Only which numbers you may get? Even numbers only you will get. Shift colon X. Now check it all. Am I getting even, right? Am I getting even numbers? While you know, In the same way, until you want to know. See, try to understand. I may go with the same statement, but first try to understand. Until means, see, while condition true, it will execute. Until means false, it will execute. If it is false, how can I specify? Anyone respond? I want to specify the condition here is false. Please respond. In place of while, I want to use until. Please try to understand everybody. Opposite of while is until. You must remember in that way. Until, now tell me. Your condition reverse you need to specify. In place of less than, you need to give what?
Greater than.
Just greater than or equal. That's all. Greater than or equal to 10. Here I think I am not changing anything. Just you go with this.
I will you have
Remember,
to change or not sir.
and no need to change. Greater than. Is it greater than 10? No, right? Is
Yes
it
yes.
greater
Okay.
than 10?
Okay. Understood. Until right.
Understood. See, that's what even I am also, I don't know until statement. So there, I know while properly. Opposite of while is until. That is my intention. Until escape shift colon X. We'll try it. Is it working or see? Am I getting output or not? Wherever while condition true, it will execute. Wherever until condition false, then only it will execute. Condition false, then only it will execute. I hope you got the clarity. In the same way, you may go with for. I am going. I hope until is clear or not. Tell me. Until is clear or not. The opposite of while is until. Very simple logic. The
But
opposite of while is until.
in until 10 is not printed sir. While 10 is printed,
You may give up to 11, right? Maybe
we have given
small.
greater than equal to.
Maybe greater than. Try to give here greater than I given. Greater than. You
Greater
may
than
give
equal
just
to.
one. Already greater than equal to already there, right?
Yes
I
sir.
given.
Already G.
GE, that's why you may give GT, it may work.
Okay.
Or otherwise take 11. Okay,
Okay sir.
10 is printed, right? 10 is printed, right? Yes.
Yes yes.
Maybe slight variance may be there because of based on the condition. Now I need to go with for loop. For is very simple. Same look and feel. First, you need to print from one. For 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 kids. For I in one, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, maybe 9. I'm taking like this as 10. Here is for do, done. Why I'm giving like this? This is mandatory thing. Echo, echo. Just you need to print $I. That's all. For I in that up to that. We'll try it. Escape. Shift colon X. Now, am I getting or not? You may ask me, sir. Okay, 1 to 10, good sir. I want to get 1 to 100. Generally, we need to type right here. Very complex, right? Very complex. At that time, you may go with very simple logic. Open curly brace, insert, erase dollar sign, open curly brace, 1 dot dot 100. 1 dot dot 100. You may check it. I think sometimes the dollar is not mandatory. I'm not giving. We'll try it first. Not no need to give dollar sign, right? Check it here. Check it here. I need to get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 only modulo 10. Only modulo 10. Give me the logic. Give me the logic. I need to get only modulo 10. Insert, insert, if tell me square bracket, dollar sign, I modulus, modulus 10, modulus 10, modulus 10. Again, you need to give here, you need to give square bracket. Again, you need to give one more dollar sign, dollar sign. Here, very beginning days, I am also having difficulty here. Why should I give those many? Equal to 0, equal to 0. Then if you practice multiple times, then only your brain will capture all those things. Now you need to go just F5. F5. Here I for here is dollar is not dollar is optional. This dollar is optional. This dollar is mandate. This dollar is mandate. Here see here only variable. Escape. Shift colon. Yes. Now check it what happened. See 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 numbers. So they got the clarity right by using for. By using
Yes, sir.
for. Here you may ask me, sir, I don't want like this. You maybe I may create 3 files with it. Cat greater than file 1. Observe. File 1 contain well. Okay, control D good. Same thing CP file 1 to file. Same way, I written something missing, right? 1 to now CP is expecting O, right? Yes. Now again CP file 2 to file 3. File 3. This is my intention. If it is there, asking yes. And now cat file 1, file 2, file 3. This is my wish. File 3. How many file content I am displaying? File 1 content, file 2 content, file 3 content. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? Like that, many files may be there. ls-ltr, ls-ltr. I may delete remaining files. I may delete. I think somewhere we discussed on command, right? I want to specify these only. Other files I want to delete it. Other files I want to delete it. What is the command? Anyone is remembering that? rm -rf. Please guide me. rm-rf. Maybe we use exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. After that, file square bracket 1, 2, 3. I think 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. then rm hyphen rf. I think we use the braces also. I think, right? Am I right? Braces. Within that, they may given double quotation also, I think. Maybe I check it. Not supporting. Anything goes wrong, please respond. One day I given this command. Now check it. ls hyphen l. Oh, everything is removed, right? Everything is removed. Got it or not? Everything is removed. But similar
Yes.
command I given. Similar command I given. I think your quotations, maybe single quotations, maybe single quotations, some other is that. Anyway, cat greater than file one, or I'm taking F1, easy way. F1, welcome. Control D. In the same way, cat greater than file two, dev apps, control D, cat greater than file 3, shell script. Now I need to get these things by using file concept. By using file concept, I need to get these three files. Now you need to check sudo rva, and maybe I am giving get.s. I am giving the name like that. For I think insert for x in star. For x in, what it represents, it is holding each file. It is holding each file. After each file, what you want to do? If it is already exist only, right? We need to display cat. Now tell me you want to display means less than $sign file content. $sign file content. File content, yes or no? That is what? It is recognizing file name. It is recognizing file name. Now, how can you display file content? If file name is no, you can easily display it, right? General sense. If you know file name, you can display it or not. Yes, you may display.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we'll try it. Do, just we'll try to end with just done. This is the simple syntax. We'll try it, it may work or not. Escape, shift colon X, bash, bs, bash dot slash. What it is saying, as it is displaying for X in star, do cat, why it is not supporting? We'll check it. What you are expecting, file, okay, star, they're not supporting directly star, something I need to specify. What I need to specify? I want to read it. Okay. Anyway, here some such type of logics are there. We'll check it. Multiple files, multiple file content. Let us to read employee data and insert into employee.txt. For loop, this already implemented, right? Similar fashion already, one dot only. See, for name in, I given name in or not? I may forget, right? Maybe X in, am I provided or not? X in. I think what I may miss. Yeah, you given, right?
Yes,
For
I have given, sir.
X, X in star only. Am I correct? Right? Working directory. Okay, okay, I understood. Working directory. Yes, everything is fine. For do, directly I provided. What was the problem? Nothing is there, but it is not recognizing. Why it is not? Here I may miss what I may miss. Even see, first I started which one for I didn't okay do. Done is also good. What I missed, I think, what I missed dollar. Even I given properly. Why it is why it didn't recognize? Why it this is a not this is optional. This is optional. You want to check it. Why? Everything directly it is printed, right? Directly do done cat less than your file names. Okay, I understood. I understood. Echo first. Echo. I understood. Yes. First, you need to print file. Okay, printed. After printing, I need to get that. Escape shift colon X. Shift colon X. And now try to understand it. Bash dot slash get dot sh. See, file 1, file 2, file 3, even get dot sh. Am I getting all the files or not? All the files are not. Got it or not? Each file content you want to display. Each file content you want to display. See here, logic sense, try to understand. This star represents all the things within the current directory. Within the current directory. Once you displayed your file, you want to read file content. You want to read file content. How can you read your file content? How can you read your file content? For for maybe line in for line in dollar sign f name. F name means file name. Dollar sign f name. Maybe echo dollar sign line. That line I am displaying. Next, after this, I am giving for do right. After that, done. Within a for, I am using one more for. First, I am identifying one file. In that file, what it is there, I am displaying. We'll check it in this way. Escape shift colon X. Up arrow, dash. Nothing is showing. Why nothing is showing? I need to get file content. File is good. For line, one line we are taking in file name. For that, we need to take like this. Now we need to specify here. The now escape shift colon X. What is the file name here? I think I may miss something. Please observe. I am wrong here. What I am wrong? Tell me. This is X, right? File name is what? Please respond. What is the file name?
X,
What
sir.
is X? I given some other, right? I given some other. That's why I didn't get. File name is X. For line in X. How can I represent X? Dollar. Here is curly
Yes.
brace. X. We'll check it. Is it really needed or not? Escape. Shift colon X. Para. Now see. File 1 again displaying file 1, file 2, file 3. Okay, something goes wrong. What is the problem here? Just only X is needed. $X. Escape. Shift colon X. Not display. I want to display file content. I want to read file content. Maybe logic is missing. We'll check it. What was the logic? Similar kind of logic is there. See, for star.txt. Okay, star.txt. Just This is okay. We are storing something. My intention is I want to display. My intention is I want to display. I want to display. You need to give like this. Yeah. I may miss something. Then now you may get that. I may get the clarity. What I got it. See, you need to specify here for line in CAT cat, a small modification, line in CAT cat space. What is the file name? This is the file name. Total, whatever the lines is there, it will take it. Assume here 100 lines are there. It will go and pick first line, display it. Go and pick second line, display it. Go and pick third line, display it. Now you check it what happening. Escape. Shift colons. Now, am I getting output right? Am I getting output? See, welcome. Second file. Welcome. Here, see, third file. Shell script get.sh. Here, see, that coding it is giving. That coding it is giving. Our intention is only file 1, file 2, file 3. We need to specify file 1, file 2. You may get the proper feel. Paro VA. At least we need to get the clarity first. In place of star, I'm mentioning F1, F2, and F3. These are the files, right? F1, F2, F3, escape, shift colon. Yes. Now check it what happened. See, F1 having welcome, F2 having DevOps, F3 having what? Please respond. Shell and script. Are you agree with me?
Shell.
Shell and script. Is it clear or not? This is the way you can get it. This is the way you can get it. Our files is not having extension, right? For example, see CP, maybe F1, F1.txt, CP, F2, F2.txt. Why I am taking extension, you may get the clarity within a minute. In our coding, I'm mentioning insert. Here is I'm not specifying all the files. I'm specifying star.txt. Escape colon X. Now try to check it what happened. Only 2 files. Why 2 files? This is the extension. This is also extension. TXT is there. Those files only I am getting. I hope you understood, right? I hope you understood. Clear or not? Yes. Same similar fashion. They are giving, see, cat employee.txt. They are giving one maybe data file. In that data file, they are specifying specific items. I hope you got the logic. If condition, then you try it. If any difficulty is there, try it. Somewhere user cut command. Am I user or not? Please respond. Cut delimiter. What is that? What it specifies? -F1 is the third column. Third column means field name. Field name is third column. Field name is fourth column. In field 3, salary. In field 4, city. If matches, here is which condition this is? And condition. If satisfies something, you add to that file. Something you add to that file. Same look and feel. These logics all are related to that. Now is the nowadays programming style. Even in C language also such type of coding is there, right? In C language, if you want to say really for I is equal to 1, I less than or is equal to 10, I plus plus. You know it, right? Such type of logic. Anyone respond? Have you observed such type of logic? Yes.
Yes, sir.
In shell script, same logic, you need to apply double parenthesis. Remaining things is again common. Again for do, again done body. But very easy. I need to print like this. Even see, for is there, 1 to 10 is there. Just enter, do, after that echo $sign. I make you done. That's all. Check it. Getting or not? Simple, right? For low. You may ask, I want to get only odd numbers. Tell me here. I want to get odd numbers for within single line, everything is there, right? For I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, I plus is equal to 2. I plus is equal to 2. We'll check it. It may work or not. See, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is very, very simple coding style. Very, very simple coding style. This is also we can implement it. We can implement. This is the latest advanced formula. Advanced formula. I hope you got the clarity. Tomorrow I may finish two topics are there. What are the two topics in the sense? One is how to use array. Second one is how to write a function. If you know how to utilize arrays in shell, how to write functions, our concept will be complete. Our concept will be complete finish. Till now, if anybody having any doubt, or if you stay 10 more minutes, I may complete arrays also. If you maybe, if maybe, yeah, today I told many things, that's what you try it tomorrow, time is there, maybe tomorrow we are not joining any company, right? Slowly you are learning. Slowly you are learning. If you want it, previous batch recordings also, even if you ask Markonda sir, every recording I given to Markonda sir, he will provide one YouTube link. In that maybe previous batch, all the shell script. Maybe this batch, maybe 8 maybe there. In previous batch, maybe 12 is there. In one more batch, maybe 13 is there. Maybe one or two batches, one or two. Explanation is slowly. Concept may not miss. Even you take any batch, sometimes some concepts there I may explain very slowly. Here some concepts I may go with somewhat little bit faster. Why? You know it. So once I am asking you, you may say I know it. Then only I may go. Maybe I may skip one or two concepts. Okay. Clear or not? Tell me. If it is clear, we may wait. Remaining things we'll see tomorrow.
It's clear, sir.
Okay. Good. Stop recording.